much. So I mean, am I just like literally cutting that?
It'll grow
not
back.
Not so short to his head, but so that it's
just
more groomed.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay
so it's
then.
Not laying
he
so
doesn't
much on
have
his neck.
all those curls.
Yeah, it's okay.
How do you feel, Grandma?
I feel very lucky. That's how I feel.
He's a good boy.
Because these would be good ones for the
He's a
locks
good
to
boy.
keep, to take those clumps.
Can you do me a favor really quick? Could you run upstairs and get a bag? Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Should have thought of that. Upstairs. Oh, well, Grandpa will get his exercise.
Thanks, assistant.
You can shampoo him later.
Yeah.
Jackson.
He likes the scalp massage.
What is she doing to you?
Such a good boy.
Look at his eyes. He's like, I should know what's going on here.
Snack baggy's okay, right?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Didn't have that much hair.
No.
Who's holding it?
Okay. Put your hand right there.